Hey guys, it's Phil and Kai here. We've been doing a bit of brainstorming and a bit of testing on our next project. We've come up with the concept of the silhouette light box that's going to have multiple strips of addressable LEDs that are controlled by our Arduino. We are working on at the moment some silhouette scenes that we can actually sit in front of the night sky scene. We've got a bit of a silhouette that we've created, as you can see behind me. What we've had is a lot of issues trying to get it cut. We've been trying with jigsaw, Dremel, a few other bits and pieces. Ultimately, we've worked out that it's basically just using the wrong product. We're using some 3mm melamine, which is not a suitable thing for what we're trying to do here. We've got a couple other options up our sleeve that we're working on at the moment. One of them is like a thick cardboard style. We do have access to a silhouette machine that can actually do the cutting for us. So we're going to try and create a art file that's good enough for that to work with. And then from there, we'll basically load it. Our plan is to do 2 levels of silhouette, the city silhouette that is. And we're probably going to run that with 2 different colors of card. The front one being sort of a silver, and then the back one will be a slightly darker grey. So it'll sort of show the shadows of the depth of the city a bit is the hopes of that. So we're going along reasonably well. Unfortunately, we appear to have damaged the Arduino that we've been testing with. So we're going to have to replace that. But we've got a whole bunch of addressable LEDs. Kai's been working on all that down here. We've got a few bits and pieces going on. But yeah, until we can source a replacement Arduino, we're going to be sort of a little bit stumped with that bit. So it'll be onto the physical build and the city. So it's all coming along pretty well. I think it's going to work out pretty well. The app's mostly created. That's all set up to talk via Bluetooth. So that will that area is pretty much done. We've got coding to do, but we can't really do a lot of the coding until we get the testing done of the physical thing. So, all right, that's it for our update for now. We'll check back in later. Thanks.